Hi everyone, Emily here. Today I'm going to be doing a short video tutorial on how to use Zoom to create a video while sharing your screen at the same time. I've heard some feedback over the last few days about teachers wanting a way to record themselves and share what's on their computer screen. I know it's really difficult to see what's on your computer screen and be in the video frame at the same time and make sure what's on the screen is visible. So Zoom has a way to make that process go a lot smoother, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that today. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. Now you're probably wondering, how did you do that? So that is what I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing you want to do is open Zoom on your laptop or desktop. Now I am using a Mac, so this might look different for any PC users. I'm really hoping that there isn't too big of a discrepancy between the two. And if there is, I'm really sorry. Once Zoom is opened, you're going to go ahead and click New Meeting. And once you click that, you become a big talking head. In order to record yourself, you want to go ahead and click the record icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Click record on this computer, and once you click that, it immediately starts recording, so just be prepared for that. And if you choose to share your screen, click the share screen icon, also located at the bottom of the screen. Now, before you click share your screen, I should note this, this is very important. Whatever you want on your screen that you want to be shared needs to already be opened. So if it's a website, make sure that website is open on the web browser, and then that will show up in the library of icons to be shared. So before I even started the Zoom, I made sure that the PowerPoint I'm using was open. So I clicked share screen. Icon library shows up, click the icon you want. In my case, it was the PowerPoint, click that, click share, and then you become a lovely little talking head. And your screen becomes a big screen so that you can easily view whatever content you want, whether it's an ebook, a video, an activity, whatever that might be. So once you go ahead and record your instruction and do all that jazz, you're probably like, okay, I want to stop recording myself. How do I do that? Great question. In order to do so, go ahead and click stop sharing, and that will make your screen stop sharing, and then you become the big talking head again. Or if you just want to stop everything all at once, in the upper right-hand corner, click the more icon. That will bring down, and then scroll down to end meeting, and then end meeting for all, and that will stop recording the share screen, all of it. So that's how you stop recording yourself. Now, in order to retrieve the video that you just made, this is what to do. A converting meeting recording icon is going to show up on your screen. Now, again, this might look different if you have a PC. I'm hoping it's not, but just in case, I am using a Mac. The convert meeting recording is going to take a few minutes to convert whatever you just recorded into a video saved to your computer. The longer you're recording, the longer it will take to convert, and vice versa. Typically, it doesn't take more than a few minutes, even if the video is on the longer side, so it's not too bad in that sense. Once the meeting has recorded, this screen will pop up, and you'll notice that your video is shared on your computer, and the video typically is saved as Zoom underscore and then the date. And if you want to open it and view your video, right click and open with, and I use QuickTime Player, that's just the default on my computer. So go ahead, click that, and you can open your video. You might have a different video player, and that's totally fine. Zoom should work with it, or at least I hope it does. And then once you view your video, you can go ahead, or once you open your video with whatever the application it is, you can go ahead and save it to someplace on your computer, and then you can access it later when you want to go upload it to Google Classroom or Google Drive or YouTube, wherever you're going to put the video so that your families and students can see it later. Now, I hope this video was really useful and helpful to you. I think this Zoom platform is a great way to share online content that will be easily viewable for our families and students. If you have further questions for me, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help in any ways. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.